Welcome everybody. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also keeping fine. Dear students, today I am going to discuss on one of the most important grammatical items, and it is voice change. I think that you have already mastered of voice change, but for the sake of weak students, I have to the, repeat it once again. Dear students, let's read the following passage. The last prize day of our school was held yesterday. We decorated the school building very tastefully, used green leaves, flags, and festoons to enhance the beauty of the school. The function began just at 10 a.m. Invited guests began to come in. They were cordially received. The DC was in the chair. He arrived at his school gate just a few minutes before the beginning of the ceremony. He was welcomed cordially by the school authority and the students. Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. There are two kinds of voice. There are active voice and passive voice. Dear students, let's know the definition of active voice. A verb is in active voice when it tells us something that a person or things does. For example, I do the work. Here, I is active. So, C is an example of active voice. Passive. A verb is in passive voice when it tells us something is done to person or thing. For example, the work is done by me. Here is done. The action is not done by the subject work, it is done by me. So this is in passive voice. Only the transitive verbs can be used in passive voice. The verb uses an object is called transitive voice. So we can only turn an active voice into passive if there is a transitive verb in sentence. The way of detecting objects. A. The man hit the dog. B. The boy wants his mother. C. The teacher teaches us English. The object is the answer we get by asking the question what or whom with the verb. In the above sentences, the dog, his mother, us in English are object because the answer the question what or whom. Rules for changing the active voice into passive. 1. The object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive. Number 2. The subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive, generally preceded by the preposition by. If the other prepositions like to, at, with, in, etc. also used. 3. The verb is changed in the past participle form and is preceded by some form of the verb to be auxiliary verb. Rules of using auxiliary verb. Am, is, are used in present indefinite tense. Was and were are used in past indefinite tense. Shall be, will be, is used in, are used in future indefinite tense. Am being, is being, are being are used in past present continuous tense. Was being and were being are used in past continuous tense. Shall be being, will be being are used in future continuous tense. The same way, has been or have been are used in present perfect tense. Have been is used in past perfect tense. Shall have been and will have been are used in future perfect tense. Dear students, let's change some active voice into passive. 1. They play football. Here, play is active because the subject is active here. If we turn it into passive, it will be football is played by them. 2. We are digging a canal. If we turn it into passive, it will be the canal is being done by us. The first example is in present indefinite tense, so is used, and after is, the past participle play has been used. The second sentence, we're digging a canal. This is an example of present continuous tense. So when I turn it into passive, is being has used, and the past participle of dig is dug also used. 3. He has done the work. This is an example of present perfect tense. So if you turn it into passive, it will be the work has been done by him. Here has been is used as the example is present perfect tense, and done is also past participle. So the answer, the work has been done by him. 4. He killed a bird. This is an example of past indefinite tense. So was must be used as an auxiliary verb, and the answer will be a bird was killed by him. 5. Active. They were flying kites. This is an example of past continuous tense. So the answer will be kites were being flown by them. 6. I had written the letter. Answer. The letter had been written by me. 7. He will help me. This is an example of future indefinite tense. So if we turn it into passive, it will be I shall be helped by him. Here shall be has been used because of future indefinite tense, and help is the past participle form of help. 8. We shall be taking tea. Answer. Tea will be being taken by us. 9. He will have read the book. Answer. The book will have been read by him. Dear friends, I have discussed on 9 tenses of present, past, and future tense. Now, homework. Change the following active voice into passive. 1. He will do the work. 2. He cut his fingers. 3. We play cricket every day. 4. Person favors the brave. 5. We are plucking flowers. Dear friends, write them in your exercise book and the answer of the following problems in your exercise book and show me in my regular class. Thank you so much to join with me. We'll meet once again on next Saturday. Till then, Allah Hafiz.